Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and you probably know what this pink bag means. Ipsy time, Ipsy time, Ipsy, Ipsy, Ipsy time. Let's see what's inside. So for those of you that may not be familiar with Ipsy, it is a monthly subscription. Oh my goodness. And every month it comes with a makeup bag and 5 sample sizes of some sort of makeup or lip gloss or whatever. Oh, I thought it was going to open at the top. Look how it opens. I love this bag. I love the lemons. I love the yellow. I love the way it opens. I'm going to have to put some things in it in my purse and use this as a purse bag, I think. And the inside is mint green. Oh my goodness. So cute. So let's see. You can go online and pick some of your favorites and rate each one, and it gives you points and stuff. I just don't do any of that. So I'm not a very good. Well, goodness gracious, the cats got all scared and knocked down some of my stuff that I have sitting on the windowsill. I don't even know why they're scared, but they were sitting on there watching the world pass by. So this is Moods by Laura Sanchez. Ooh, look how cool that is. And I love the magnetic closure. And there is the, I think it's eyeshadow. You know what? There is a little thing. Let's see. Moods eyeshadow in Rose Gold Woman. This Colombian makeup artist was NYX Face's 2016 Beauty Vlogger of the Year, and her brand is all about bold color and self-expression. This highly pigmented metallic pinky rose gold eyeshadow is ultra creamy and blends easily. Oh, there you go. To set your creative urges free. Using an eyeshadow brush, sweep over lid and blend. Dab into the center of your lid for dimension. Pop some into the inner corner of your eye to highlight. So it is very pretty. I surprisingly like it more than I thought that I would. Huh, I may have to try that. I like how it's like glimmery. That's not the word, but oh, look at this. Purplicious. Nail polish. 100% vegan friendly and toxin free. Law Beauty Essentials polish in Purplicious. Made by a businesswoman turned beauty entrepreneur, this line of cruelty-free and 5 free nail products is known for luxe, innovative, and eco-friendly products. It's an opaque orchid pink shade that's fast drying, long lasting, and gives an instant springtime feel. So I don't know, that's a little purple for me, but it's cool. I'll probably give that to my daughter. And this one is Bonjour Creamy Lip Stain. And Namaste is the name of the lip color. Aside from Adorb's packaging that screams girl power, the balm's known for quick fix products that are easy on your wallet. This berry pink stain gloss hybrid coats lips in rich color, moisturizes them, and lasts for hours. For a light berry stain, apply 1 coat using your finger. Want more color? Don't be afraid to layer it on. Huh, that's not bad. I'll have to try it on my lips and see what I think, but yeah, I kind of like it, and if it really does stain, that's kind of cool. I can go for that. And here is a polishing peel by Pearless. It says Watermelon Energizing Peel Plus Polish. This line of high-performance multitasking skincare was created by former Power Ranger Villainess, and you bet it packs a punch. Made with vitamin-rich watermelon, aloe vera, and cucumber, it exfoliates, brightens, and leaves skin feeling smooth and subtle. Smooth over clean skin for an even layer. Let it sit for 2 minutes, then rinse with warm water while massaging skin in a circular motion. Pat, don't dry the skin. Well, I'm going to go ahead and pull this off because I will try this. I want to see if it smells like watermelon. It does. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. But it is, I don't know if any of you guys know the Mary Kay. That's what this sounded like to me. It's like a Mary Kay, well, that still moves. Yeah, it kind of feels like that. It feels like sand, like, oh, what's the word I'm looking for? Like little small pieces of sand. It's not like big, huge rocks of sand. It's like really fine sand. It feels so good on your hands. And then it says to leave it for 2 minutes and then to wash it off. Oh, I am going to love this, I can tell you now. That smells pretty good. It's not real watermelon-y. It smells, I mean, it's a nice, fresh, clean smell. I wouldn't necessarily know that that was a watermelon smell. I kind of wanted to see if this stayed on though, so let me put this back on over here. Okay, so last is this base tape hydrating primer, Double Duty by Tarte, Double Duty Beauty. So let's see, what does it say? This brand new primer is loaded with jojoba and grapeseed extract to moisturize and keep your skin hydrated for 12 full hours, and coconut to smooth your skin. Plus it helps your makeup look better and last longer. And like all of Tarte's fab formulas, this one's vegan and cruelty-free. And it says after cleansing, smooth all over your face before applying your foundation. So it's a primer. That's interesting. I keep doing that, just squirting it all out. Ooh, it smells like coconut. It smells good. And it feels good. So this is still sandy. Maybe salty or sugary might be a better way. I want that to dry. Yeah, it still comes off. So I don't know how much it will actually stain. I feel like I've left it on there long enough for it to do something. So I don't know. Maybe I'll try it on my lips and see what I think. But all in all, I really like everything. I'm going to try this Moods. I'm going to give this one to my daughter. That's just not a color. I mean, I'm like the reds. I need my nails done so badly. But I like the reds and the pinks and the, I don't know, the darker kind of colors, I think. Although this is really pretty. I think that she would like it and wear it more than I would. And I'm hoping that this stays so I can try that. This I will try. This I know I will love. So yeah, I'm excited. Good stuff. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you and this bag. Whew, I hope that you have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you very much. Have a great day. Bye.